Hey everybody, here we are, another Slaburday Saturday. We're going to be sawmilling this huge butternut. Hope you enjoy the video. We're going to be making some sawdust. You might learn a thing or two. Hope you enjoy it. So we're here with the telehandler. We're gonna grab the log. I'm gonna put the forks in narrow because we're gonna fit between the bunks. It's only gonna ride on 2 bunks. It's a very short log. All right, so it's got a taper going on. So we're gonna lift this side up. The trick is you don't lift it up fully so the top is flat. You want to go 50-50. So we at least need probably a 6x6 under it. That went pretty smoothly considering. Sal, this is about as wide as I can cut. We really had to get her lined up. We think we're okay. We might be a hair tight on here. We'll see what happens. There's a turtle in here apparently. Do you remember where? Oh, there it is. Turtle. Sal was a big Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle fan. Comment below your favorite turtle. What is it? Leonardo, Donatello, Michelangelo, Raphael. Good times. Saw blade I think on there is good, so we're just going to tension it up. Get my morning pump on. We're going to get our first cut going. We are cutting 12-quarter slabs, so that's 3 inches thick. And let's just get to it. I don't cut many butternuts. They're almost all, I don't know if it's the proper word, but extinct around here. There's not many of them. So you do actually need permits and whatnot if you do take one down. This is obviously a huge tree, so I'm assuming it led its life. But Sal will know for sure, and you want to give him a little hate. Sal Paccioni on Instagram for cutting this tree down, Sal. What are you doing? Guys, I'm only joking. The trees we get are urban salvage. They're always already being cut down. They've already fallen down, they've lived their life, they're dead, they're dying. And yes, we have a lot of development around us. So to build the houses, trees do get cut down, and those are the trees somebody like Sal, somebody like myself, Paul uses, as well as Sal. So we call this urban salvage lumber, is what we're all about. I'm gonna stop talking, fire up the sawmill, let's see what's inside this thing. We got our first slice off this. I'm actually going to save this for Sal. It's not going to be my wood boiler food. We'll see if he wants it. It's really heavy. This is a small piece. It is really heavy. I think the blade's pretty dull though. I'm going to have to change the blade. Well, we're going to see on this cut, but I'm pretty sure it's a bit wavy. Definitely wavy. Maybe we hit something. I don't know, but man, it's funny because it was cutting perfect on the last log and then we go to use it. Anyways, we got a nice little wave action going here. Gotta change the blade, fresh blade. It's exciting. I do like a fresh blade. I think I'm just gonna like tumble this thing off of here like this. That seems safe. These are Lennox. Nothing too special with these blades. We'll sharpen them about 3 or 4 times. And basically it says that they are 308 inches long, 2 inches wide, 45 thousandths of an inch in thickness. But the teeth are going to be backwards as usual. What do you know? They are. So we got to do the old teeth flip. You kind of just go like that. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. All right, we got 2 cuts. Whoa, these are really heavy. I didn't expect them to be so heavy. We're gonna put the forks in here, boo boo, and be able to slide these slabs off. We'll give you a really good look at what's going on inside. And of course, I'm gonna give you that water pop. So butternut's got the same grain pattern as walnut, but it's much lighter in color and a little bit softer. It's actually called white walnut. Thus the other one is called black walnut. All right, I have a very, very bad tape measure here, but it's still gonna do the job. We're gonna see how long we are. We'll go right around there. We're looking at, these are 7-foot long slabs. And the narrow end here, we got 40 inches right there. Moving up to 46 inches. And then finally, at the widest part, we got a full 62 inches wide. There's not really any bar conclusions at all. She's solid, there's no defect to the slab. It's cut really nice with the sawmill, also super, super important. So yeah, really, really happy how it's turning out. We're going to show you what the grain looks like right now. All right, that's it. That's our final cut. Everything is, it's done. The log is done, folks. We're gonna get this off, get it loaded up, send Sal a smoke signal, let him know his slabs are done, although he's watching my story time. I see ya, Sal. I see ya. Everyone, thanks for tuning in, man. It's pretty cool having you guys show up every Saturday. We really appreciate all the comments. You know, you guys are like adding our Slaburday Saturday into your routine. That's pretty awesome. We're having fun sharing what we do. We do all this on a daily basis anyways. And to us, you know, slicing up a 60-inch wide, huge, giant butternut log is normal to us. We obviously love doing this, as I hope it comes across, because we do love doing this. And you know, it's even better when we can share it, because I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty unique. And I think it's also doing justice to the logs and the trees that we are fortunate to sawmill. These are trees that have lived 50, 80, 100, 150 plus years.
Well, YouTubers, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching another edition of our Slaburday Saturday. As the saying goes, comment, like, subscribe. And in true Lemiski fashion, make it a great one.